Learn Icelandic fast. Can equals.
geta,
From I can to they can. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey do, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tools at www.synapse-lingo.com. Quick promise. In a few minutes you'll be saying Icelandic, can, like a champ, no ice bath required. Your goal today, can equals.
geta,
Today you master the ability verb, clean, simple, super useful. Link it in your mind. English, can, equals Icelandic.
geta,
We'll map every person so you can speak fast and sound confident. Form party. Say it out loud. Repeat after me, short, punchy, powerful. Can.
geta,
I can.
ég get,
You can, singular.
þú getur,
He can.
hann getur,
She can.
hún getur,
It can.
það getur,
We can.
við getum,
You, plural, can.
þið getið,
They can.
þau geta.
Mini dialogue, the stubborn jar. Listen in and jump in, answer out loud. A. Can you open this? B. Yeah.
Ég get,
A. Great, we can do it together.
við getum,
C. If he tries, he can.
hann getur,
D. She can hold the base.
hún getur,
Haldi. A. Careful, it can slip.
það getur,
Runny. Coach. Team, you, plural, can finish this.
þið getið,
Crowd. They can lift it now.
þau geta.
Drill beats. Quick wins. Clap or tap, then speak the Icelandic. I can help.
Ég get,
Hjálpa. You can do it.
þú getur,
Gert á. He can fix it.
hann getur,
Laga á. She can read fast.
hún getur,
Lesi herat. It can work.
það getur,
Verka. We can start now.
við getum,
Birja Nuna. You, plural, can try again.
þið getið,
Rain after. They can come tomorrow.
þau geta.
Komi a Morgan. Culture tip. Weather wisdom. In Iceland, the weather plot twists hourly. Say this like a local. It can rain later.
Það getur rignt síðar.
And remember, ability
Geta,
is different from permission.
má,
Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal it. Translate, we can. Answer.
við getum,
Translate, she can. Answer.
hún getur,
Translate, you, plural, can. Answer.
þið getið,
Translate, they can. Answer.
þau geta.
What is the base verb for can, ability, in Icelandic? Answer.
Geta,
Challenge mode. Time to flex your superpower. Say, I can speak a little Icelandic.
ég get,
Tala smá islandsku. Say, you can learn fast.
þú getur,
Lart harat. Say, we can finish today.
við getum,
Clara I dag. Bonus. Turn one into a question. Can you, plural, start now?
getið þið,
Birja Nuna? Wrap up. Nice work, do nailed it. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing can equals.
geta,
I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you, plural, can, they can, every day. For more lessons and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.